There's David outdoors, wiring up a floodlight. Putting in one of those ring ones. Let's see if that works. Just took that apart. Almost tipped over in the chair. The ladder here. So we're gonna disconnect the red and the black and the white and see what we got. I took the floodlight off. It wasn't the red and the black wires. It was just the white wire with the white wire and the black wire with the black wire. All right, so we got the ring here. I'm gonna hook it up. Unfortunately, these days we have to put these things up just to keep our places safe. That's kind of ridiculous, but we're gonna do it. So come along.
there you have it, all hooked up. Just the white wire, the black wire, and the green wire as you saw me hook up. Pretty simple. Make sure your breaker's off. If you don't feel comfortable, then have an electrician do it. As you see in the video, the ring is upside down. I did have to spin that around. I didn't get a video of it, but the solar part goes, that little round thing goes on the bottom, and then the ring actually, as you see, faces up. So just make sure you turn it around like I didn't do it in the video. So if you like this video, please hit the subscribe button, hit the like, and comment if you have any questions. Thanks.